This is Zara Beauty Recipe. You're welcome. Here we have fenugreek seeds. What you can see is called fenugreek seeds. It is not only the fenugreek oil that can be used to make your hair very long. Fenugreek can be used in two other ways to make your hair very long, black, thick, silky, and healthy. You can have like half a cup of fenugreek seeds, then add a glass of water to it. This is not up to a cup, so I'll just put half glass of water. I'm going to now cover it and allow it to stay for 2 days. Now after 2 days, you open and stir very well. The longer it stays in the water, the more concentrated the water will be and the more effective it will also be. But here, for the purpose of this video, here after 2 days, I'll sieve the fenugreek water out from the seeds. After washing your hair very clean with a shampoo, instead of putting the conditioner, you now use this fenugreek water as a leave-in conditioner. You put it on your hair, massage it from the root of your hair to the tip of it. You massage for about 5 minutes, then use a shower cap or any airtight cap to cover your hair. Preferably you sleep over with it, and then wash it off in the morning with just ordinary water. If you do this like twice a week, within a very short time, you will notice significant hair growth. And for the second method of making use of these magic seeds for extreme hair growth, you just soak the fenugreek seeds. We have our fenugreek seeds in a blender, and then just a little water to enable blending, and then blend it. It's getting too thick for the blender, so I'm going to add extra water. And here we have our fenugreek paste. Very healthy for the hair. Just as it is like this, after washing your hair very clean, you wash your hair very clean, then pat your hair and then rub it on the root. After rubbing on the root, then you now rub it on your hair to the tip, massage it for about 5 minutes, then cover it with a shower cap or any airtight cap and allow it to stay for 1 hour. You can stay for more than 1 hour. Preferably, I always say you do it in the night and sleep over with it. Then you wash very well with clean water in the morning. If you do this within very short time, your hair will be long, thick, black, and very healthy. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. I hope you try these two methods of making your hair very long and healthy with fenugreek seeds. That is the fenugreek water and the fenugreek paste. Please don't forget to watch our other interesting videos on hair care and beauty tips. Also share our videos with your loved ones, and please subscribe to our videos. Don't forget to also follow our Facebook page at Zara Naija or at Zara Beauty Recipe. Thank you.